Hello viewers, this is Azher Hussain. I have a Samsung Galaxy J2 core with me, which is FRP locked. So I am going to show you how to unlock FRP on this particular device. I don't want to waste your valuable time. So let's get started. Just follow what I do and repeat it after me. So as you can see, this device is asking for the Google account, which I don't remember. So now we will start our mission of bypassing. Click on the home button 3 times continuously to activate talkback. Now make a L gesture. Go to the talkback setting and make a L gesture again and pause feedback. Now click on help and feedback menu and click on any link, then click on the YouTube logo. So now the YouTube app is open. Go to the description and click on the link given. So now this will redirect you to the Samsung browser app where our important work begins. Type bmrom.apk in the search bar and open the first web page you see. Now download Apex Launcher and then download bmrom.apk. Now click on the bookmark menu and then go to history and download history. Here you can find your downloaded files. Now install Apex Launcher straight away. Go to the setting and allow installation from unknown sources. Once the installation is complete, open the app straight away. Now go to setting, then open lock screen and security. Okay, now from here disable the device administration. Now go to apps and find Google Account Manager and disable it. Find Google Account Manager. Now disable this app. Now go to Google Play Services, clear all the data. And now disable this app too. Okay, these apps are disabled. Now go to the Samsung browser app again and install bmrom apk. Go to the bookmarks, history, download history. Now install bmrom. So again, head into the setting app and follow this procedure. Click on Google, wait for a few seconds. So here, add any Google account you have. If you don't have any, you can create it here. I am adding my old account. Any kind of Gmail will do the work. Okay, your account is added successfully. Now go to the Google account and allow syncing. Sync calendar, allow. Now sync contacts and sync Gmail. Go to now open apps and enable all the disabled services, then go all the way back to the home page. Now restart your device. I have skipped the restart procedure. Now again make a L gesture and pause feedback. Okay. Oops, it's troubling me. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Now click next. Now all you have to do is wait patiently. So again it is showing that account is added successfully. Wait for a few moments here also. It takes almost 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet connection. Okay, now skip all the setup procedure. As you can see, your device is ready to be used again. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video.